Tree. Trees have most important space in our life. Trees are very useful for us. We get fruits, medicines, wood, paper, grains, and many more other things from trees. Trees cleanse our environment by giving oxygen. They absorb harmful carbon dioxide present in the environment. They release oxygen into the environment. Many small creatures make their home on the tree. Trees provide us shade and protection. We should aware all the people about the importance of tree. We should plant more and more trees for making our environment healthy and beautiful. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.